Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you a powerful and simple binary option strategy. Let's go. Okay dear friend, before that please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, like it. You can share this video with your friends and your family. If you wanna learn, join and enjoy. This is a very useful and profitable strategy. Let's go to this video. First of all, we're gonna start with adding indicators to the chart, okay? The first indicator is the alligator indicator. We set the period of this indicator to the default value, but change the color of the lines like this. We set the ellipse line to red or white color, and set the other lines to red color. Okay. The next indicator we need is the momentum indicator. In this indicator, we must set the period value. Momentum indicator, and set the period value to 13. Okay. Please note that the time of candles in this strategy are fixed at 15 seconds. You should set time of candles in this strategy at 15 seconds. And the time of trade at 1 minute. Click and set in 1 minute trade. Well, let's go to the strategy and method of trading with it. Okay, my friend, when the white line crosses the other two lines upwards and the momentum indicators change from negative area to positive area, which means it change color from red histogram to green histogram, we enter the buy position. Cross the upwards and change color from red lines to green lines. Green histogram. Please pay attention to the example. Don't forget that for better result, you should also look at the support and resistance area and use them if possible. For selling position, when the white lines crosses the other two lines downwards and the momentum indicator change from positive area to negative area, which means it changed color from green histogram to red histogram. We enter a sell position. Okay? Pay attention to example. Okay, dear friend, before trading in the real account, be sure to practice this strategy in the demo account and find your problems and bugs. Please practice this strategy on different market days and analyze your results. Okay? Let's make some trades with this easy but powerful strategy. Please look carefully at the position of the trade. Don't forget to register in this platform. You can use the links below the video. Okay, let's go. Okay, not problem. Search for the next position. Okay. Okay, dear friend, don't forget that the binary option market seems simple and easy at first, but it requires a lot of practice and effort. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Before trading in the real account, you should practice this strategy in the demo account. Don't forget you are the best. Try and fail, but never fail to try. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.